In the meantime, a slew of economic data this week prompting a downgrade in forecasts for growth for the quarter. Yeah, probably no kidding at this point. Senior economics reporter Steve Liesman joins us right now with a rapid update. Steve, what I love about your data is you're looking at a lot of things that are much more relevant just in terms of real-time data.
Yeah, that's in there too. But even though retail sales, Becky, beat expectations yesterday, you had downward revisions to spending in prior months and other data like industrial production. All that resulted in another downgraded GDP forecast for the third quarter. Here's the rapid update. Shows a 30 basis points shave from the forecast, bring it down from 1.6 to 1.3, mostly a result of higher inflation and those downward revisions to retail sales. Forecasters, remember, they'd begun the quarter thinking that after those 2 quarters of negative numbers, we would bounce back and have GDP growth above 2%. Even now, last month in the quarter, there's a lot of debate among economists about what exactly is happening with the economy. Take a look at Barclays and Atlanta Fed. They're down 0.3 and 0.5. The way you play this game at home is you pick your favorite economist and you go with it. Goldman Sachs right in the middle, 1.1. J.P. Morgan, a touch more optimistic, 1.6. And there's Stephen Stanley, our friend here, a smart guy, a good forecaster. He's well above. Among the areas of uncertainty have inventories and trade. They've been swinging back and forth, been creating huge uncertainty and big factors throughout the whole pandemic. Stephen Stanley, one of the most optimistic, says he thinks you have these good purchases coming down, which is maybe part of what's happening with FedEx, and expects a big increase in consumer spending on services like travel. Still, if the consensus is right, it promises a third quarter in a row of below-trend growth, and that theoretically should help bring down inflation. And Becky, on this FedEx thing, we've been talking for a long time about this shift from goods to services, and FedEx and the other transports are some of the companies you would expect to be hurt by this, plus what's going on in Asia with the lockdowns there. You'd expect some pain over there, too, from that.